Welcome to a culinary journey where Arabic tradition meets luxurious seafood in an exquisite dish called Lobster Mahshi. Lobster Mahshi is a fusion of the classic Arabic mahshi technique, involving spiced rice, herbs, and nuts, with the opulence of fresh lobster. Imagine live lobsters, glistening on a bed of ice, with golden saffron sparks adding a magical glow. This dish promises true Arabic luxury on a plate, redefining seafood with a touch of elegance. The journey begins with carefully preparing the star ingredient, the lobster. Watch as the lobster gracefully drops into boiling saffron-infused water, releasing dramatic steam. Blanching the lobster is key to unlocking its vibrant color and rich ocean flavor. Next, we create the heart of the dish, the aromatic mahshi filling. This rich aromatic filling is truly a stuffing fit for kings, combining the best of rice, saffron, pine nuts, and tender lobster. The final stage involves baking to perfection, followed by a dramatic reveal. Each piece is baked to a golden perfection. Cheese is optional, promising a crisp exterior and tender, flavorful interior. The grand finale. Exquisite plating that elevates lobster mahshi to an art form. Subscribe and stay connected for latest food creations.